favorite too. And Leslie. Where'd you go? Here you go. Another bag. What is this? Aw, some cute little doggy treats.
Nice.
You're getting a little full here.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Here's another bag of some Purina. Going out. I love it. All right. Oh man, look at this. Look
dang.
at that.
That's pretty cool.
Birds?
Chickens, yeah, for sure.
Bird food. The donuts
Definitely
was
on
my
that.
food. Okay. Whoa, that's a high chair. Oh my gosh, and there's something over on the other side. Okay. A Munchkin float. Easy clean.